Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is me Aditi. I hope all of you guys are doing well. So in today's video, I am actually going to create a very random makeup look. I literally don't have anything in my mind what I'm actually going to create today. I was just lying in my bed and I was feeling really bored and very low, and that's when I was like, you know what, let's just put some makeup on, because makeup is something which I really love and it just instantly makes me feel happy and good about myself, and I just love doing transformation videos. So I thought let's just do this, and it's actually been a while that I sat down and shoot a video, and yeah, that's why I'm here. I'm just gonna create something today. I don't know what it is going to be, but I'm actually in a mood of a proper transformation video. So yeah, let's see what I am actually gonna do. So yeah, if you guys just want to chit chat and get ready with me, this is the perfect video. Also, if you like my content and if you like the vibe here, make sure to subscribe to my channel. That means a lot to me. So yeah, let's begin. So right now I do not have anything on my face. I just washed my face and my skin right now is extremely dry. My hair right now is also really dry, and I actually look like a mess right now, to be very honest. I look like a homeless person, but yeah, that's why we are here for, right? I'm just gonna get ready and just get all glammed up. So let's begin. I'm just gonna put my hair back because I just do not like my hair to be on my face when I'm putting on makeup. So yeah, let's just put them back, and that's how my skin is looking right now. It is extremely dry, especially on my chin area. There's some dry patch, so I have to do a really good skincare routine before I put on makeup. And first step that I would be doing is applying a serum, and for that I will be taking this 10% Nykaa Glow face serum for glowing skin, and that is exactly what I want right now. I need a really nice glow on my face. So actually I've been using this serum for a while now. Let me just show you how much I have used this. You can see I'm just left with very little amount. You can see, right, I'm using this very consistently, and I'm loving this serum so much. This is very lightweight, does not feel heavy or thick, or it's just so comfortable to wear for your everyday skincare routine. So I really like this. I'm just gonna take few drops of this on my hand, and then I'll just start applying this on my face, and this instantly provides, you can see, a really beautiful glow. The texture of this is really soft, you guys. I mean, when you apply this, you would instantly feel a great difference in your skin. Next step that I would be doing, and I never actually skip this step ever in my life, and that is a sunscreen. And for that I will be taking this 1% hyaluronic acid sunscreen. I've been recommending this forever now. Like, I've been using this product for so long, so I'm just gonna take generous amount of this because sunscreen is important. So I took this much of amount, and I'm just gonna put this on my face, and then I'll just quickly gonna start blending it out. Now you might feel that this is too much of sunscreen, but trust me, with sunscreen, too much is not the word, right? You really need generous amount of a sunscreen, and the best part about this one is that this does not leave any white cast, which is amazing, right? So I'm just gonna blend it and just start rubbing this on my skin. This is extremely hydrating at the same time because this has 1% of hyaluronic acid. So I'm just gonna take this down to my neck as well. Now that my skin prep is done, let's move on to the priming of our face, and for that I'll be taking this e.l.f. poreless putty primer. This is a really great moisturizing primer. I just love this so much. This not only blurs your pores, but at the same time makes your skin super soft, and also it's moisturizing, so it's actually perfect for this time of the year, which is winters. So I'm just gonna spread it on my face. So as I said that I'm feeling really dry on my skin, so my favorite foundation is out again, and it's been a while that I've used this foundation, but I know why I use this, especially during winters. And this is the Nykaa Skin Genius Sculpting and Hydrating Foundation. This is a great foundation, you guys, for really hydrated and really dewy, glowy look. I just love this one so much. It's been a while, so I'm just gonna shake it well enough because it's been months that I've used this foundation. I like to use this during winters especially. So I'm just gonna take good amount of this on the back of my hand. Just gonna take this and start dotting this on my face. I'm just blending it out with the help of my beauty blender. So this is the beauty blender that I recently got from Nykaa. So this is from the brand Nykaa only, and this is actually my first time that I'm using this beauty blender. I actually never ever used any beauty blender from Nykaa itself, and I'm just kind of testing it out. It's been only few days that I got this one, and I think this is my second or third time that I'm using this. So up till now, I think I would say that this is a really decent, beauty blender. This does the job, right? The blending of foundation, but I feel this soaks up a lot of amount of product. So that is one thing. Other than that, it really blends the foundation really beautifully. Now to cancel out the darkness around my eyes, I will be using a really nice hydrating concealer, and for that I will be taking this Mamaearth Glow Hydrating Concealer in the shade 03 Nude Glow. This is a really nice hydrating concealer. This has sheer to medium coverage, not full coverage. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit of this under my eyes. I'm just gonna blend the concealer also. I'm going to quickly set my under eyes using this Maybelline New York Fit Me Compact Powder. I'm just going to take this on a brush and dust off the excess, and then I'm going to set my under eyes with this. This again is a really good compact powder for everyday use. This has just a little bit of coverage, not too much to be very honest. So that's why it's actually perfect for your everyday makeup looks, not for your party wear makeup looks. I'm gonna set my problematic areas. Like this is the area where I get smile lines. So usko bhi set karna bahut important hai. Now for bronzing up my face, I will be using this Flower Beauty Heatwave Luminous Bronzer. This again is a great product. I just love using this product so much. This has just the right amount of warmth for my skin tone. So I'm just gonna start applying this on my face. The best part about this product is that this is a powder bronzer, but this does not look like that on the skin. This just leaves your skin with such a beautiful luminous effect, which is just so stunning. So I'm just gonna apply this on the areas where I want that really nice, warmth going on. Can you see that how instantly my face looks a lot more warmer and there's dimension? But this does not look that dark on the pan itself, right? This has a really nice good amount of, pigmentation, not too pigmented. So if you're a beginner, you can actually use this product. This would not be a difficult product to use for a beginner. So I'm just gonna use the same brush actually, and I'm gonna contour also my nose very lightly using this product only. Just run your brush just like this, and you would get some dimension on your nose. You can see that, right? I thought of creating a full coverage makeup look, but I think I'm kind of going towards more like a natural makeup look. As I said, I had no clue what I'm actually gonna do today, but yeah, it is actually looking more like a natural makeup look because I think the foundation that I chose for today's look is not a full coverage foundation. So yeah, it is anyways going to be a more like natural kind of a look. So just here as well, just a little bit. You can see the glow, right? I don't have any highlighter on my skin, but the skincare that we did and the foundation that we used, the products that we used is giving me that beautiful glow on my face, and I just love doing that. Now for my powder blush, I will be using this Nykaa Get Cheeky Blush Duo, and this one is in the shade Brazilian Bombshell beautiful blush, you guys. One is more like a everyday shade which you can use for your office, your college. This one is more like a peachy toned, mauvey peachy toned blush, which looks stunning at the same time, more like a party wear or for like more bold looks. So I'm actually confused which one to use, so I think I'm gonna mix both of these. Try to get confused, right? Just both the shades are stunning, so let's just use both of them together. And they have a little bit of, I would say, shimmery particles, and not shimmery particles, but there's some luminosity going on, just exactly like how the bronzer has some luminous effect to it. Exactly that way this product also has really good luminosity which it provides to your skin. And when you apply this, you do not have you do not get any shimmery or chunky particles on your face, but there is a really nice glow when you use this product. So yeah, I really like this. I'm just gonna go close to my nose as well, just like this. Can you see that, how gorgeous this looks? For my brows, I will be using this Swiss Beauty Brow Pencil. This is waterproof and this only retails for 75 rupees. Affordable, like cheap pricing, but the product is just so good. This comes with this kind of a spoolie, which I'm not actually a very big fan of, but yeah, like 75 rupees mein aur kitna denge wo log, right? So yeah, I'm just gonna use this anyways. This does the job, but I like that kind of spoolie more. It kind of is really easy to use, that one, but yeah, अभी ये है तो इसी से काम चलाते हैं, right? The product itself is quite pigmented. I would say it is something that you wanna the right amount of pigmentation is there, and it's actually very easy. So I'm just gonna fill in the gaps that is there. Can you see how big of a difference brows makes? Like थोड़ी देर पहले तक मेरा फेस काफ़ी फ्लैट लग रहा था, बट ब्राउज मेक्स अ ह्यूज डिफरेंस. सो मैं जल्दी से स्पूली यूज़ करूँगी टू स्प्रेड द प्रोडक्ट throughout. Now for my eyes, I'm going to use this beautiful eyeshadow palette from Huda Beauty. It's been so long that I've used this palette because normally on my channel I try to show you products which are more affordable, and this one definitely is not. But I mean, the product is just so beautiful, you guys. I mean, the shades are stunning, the pigmentation, the blendability, everything is just so beautiful. I just like these kind of purple shades here on this line, so I really want to use that as well. So let's begin with a transition shade firstly. So firstly, I'm going to use this shade right here, which is called as Amber. So I'm going to use this as my transition shade. Just focusing this on my crease right now. And the brush that I'm using is Pro Arte AE24 brush. This is a great brush for blending of your eyeshadows. I'm also gonna put this right here on the outer V. After that, I'm gonna take this shade right here, which is more like a darker brown shade, and I'm gonna take this on a flat blending brush, and this one is the Plume P10 brush. Again, I'm just gonna focus this on my crease, but just a little lower than the previous shade. Also right here on the outer V. I am actually in mood of halo eyes, so let's do that. It's been so long, so I think I'm gonna put the same dark brown shade that we've put on the crease. I'm just gonna put that on my inner corner as well. And it is kind of going towards more like a bolder look, right? I told you guys, I literally told you in the beginning, I do not have anything in my mind. I'm literally just following my instincts. Whatever I feel like, I'm literally just doing that. So as I said, I'm gonna use some of these purple shades. So I think I'm gonna use this beautiful shimmery shade right here. This one is called as Royal, and I'm just gonna put this in the middle part of my eye, just right here. Ooh, like, oh my god, it's so beautiful. Huda Beauty के mattes हो या फिर you know shimmery shades, everything is just so stunning. It is so beautiful, but I think uh, the pop that I want is not giving me that, so I think I am gonna use this shade right here. This is another beautiful sparkly shimmery shade, and this one is called as retrograde. Again, I'm taking that on my finger and then I'm gonna press it on top of the previous one. So this is a really beautiful shimmery shade, you guys. This has you know different reflexes of blue and pink and purple, so yeah, it looks so good. Before I go and do my other eye, I think I'm going to apply the liner as well, and for that I'll be taking this e.l.f. eyeliner. This is a liquid eyeliner which comes with a brush, so I'm just going to apply it and create a really nice beautiful wing using this. Alright, this part is going to be in voiceover because dinner बनने लग गया था and kitchen में actually सीटियाँ बज रही थी कुकर की, so yeah, I have to shut down the camera and that's why I'm using you know voiceover on this part. So I'm just gonna apply mascara, and the mascara that I'm using here is from Mars. I love this mascara. This is not waterproof, but this actually is a water resistant mascara. I completely forgot to do you know my lower lash line, so I'm just applying the same shades that I've applied on my lid, the darker brown shade close to my lash line, and then the transition shade after that, and then of course a coat of mascara on my lower lashes as well. By the way, all the products that I'm using in this video will be listed in the description box below alongside with their links, so do not worry about that. All the product details, all the links, everything will be in the description box below, so if you want to get any of the product you can check the description box out. Now the last step would be doing my lips, so for that I will be firstly lining my lips with the PAC lip liner in the shade Coffee. I would say this again is one of my most favorite and one of my most used lip liner. For my lipstick, I'm using this lipstick from Physicians Formula, and the shade that I have is Berry Healthy, a beautiful pink shade this one is, but the applicator of this is actually broken. I love the shade so much, but its applicator बहुत जल्दी टूट गया and I was just so disappointed and disheartened, but the shade is so stunning that I like to use it just like this. Like, we are Indians and we do jugaads, right? So yeah, that's a jugaad for me. I use this quite a lot and it is now almost over. जब ये applicator टूटा था, the tube was completely full, but yeah, that's how I use this, and you can see the shade is stunning, right? Alright, you guys, this is the finished look and I'm not actually mad at all. I mean, I'm loving how my eyes are looking. You know, the sparkliness, the shimmeriness, the purple color, I just absolutely love. So yeah, I totally love this look. I told you before as well that I do not have anything in my mind, so that's why my base is not that full coverage. There is still some you know acne marks are visible because of the foundation that I have used, but my eyes are like full blown bold eyes. So yeah, let me know what you think of this makeup look. I absolutely love how this makeup look has turned out. I'm just gonna keep this for maybe few hours because that's the reason I put makeup on today, right? I just wanted to feel good about myself. So yeah, let me know what you think of this look. That is what I have today for you guys. I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay at home. I love you guys all so much. Bye.